Sacred unity. In the heart of every challenge, in the depth of every crisis, lies an invitation to a deeper connection, not just with ourselves, but with the entirety of creation. The essence of our existence is not defined by individual achievements or moral perfection, but by our profound unity with the divine and all living beings. This unity transcends the superficial divisions between the sacred and the profane, revealing that every element of the cosmos is imbued with sacredness. We are called not to stand apart from the world in judgment, but to immerse ourselves in it with love, recognizing that the divine mystery is inextricably woven into the fabric of our daily lives. The challenges we face, climate change, environmental degradation, the loss of biodiversity, are not merely physical problems, but spiritual calls to awaken to our interconnectedness with all creation. Let us then embrace this moment as a sacred opportunity to transcend our individualism and discover our place within the greater whole. By doing so, we align ourselves with the outpouring love that sustains the universe, becoming agents of healing and transformation. In this journey, we are not alone. We are supported by the enduring covenant between the divine and every living creature, a promise of renewal and hope. As we open our hearts to this reality, we find that inspiration is not something to be sought after, but a truth to be lived. We are part of a symphony of existence, invited to play our unique part with courage and love. In this realization, we find not only our deepest callings, but our greatest joy, to live in harmony with the divine, each other, and all of creation. This is the path of true inspiration, a journey that calls us to see beyond ourselves and embrace the sacred unity that binds us all. Rest in this knowing.